Hello, my dear students. From Value Education, we are looking for lesson number 7, caring for others. Caring म्हणजे काळजी घेणे. आपण दुसऱ्यांची कशी काळजी घेऊ शकतो. अ यंग बॉय हू केअर्ड. आता एक लहान मुलगा आहे जो दुसऱ्यांबद्दल कशी काळजी घेतो. दिस वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन द लेसन. अ बॉय ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट युअर एज went to a pet shop. A boy from your age means he is also from standard 3. You can say he went to a pet shop from where you can buy a pet for yourself. He wanted to buy a dog for himself. Now which pet he wanted to buy? It's a dog, so that he could play with it. Why he wanted the pet? Because he wanted to play with it. So the shopkeeper showed him 6 beautiful pups. So for the boy to choose, the shopkeeper showed him 6 beautiful pups who were golden brown in color. All of them came out of the kennel, and all this pet, they came out of the kennel and they started playing with the boy. So the boy was very happy. The shopkeeper told him that he could take any of the pups for 500 rupees. That was the price of any of the pup from those 6 puppies. The boy also noticed one more pup sitting in a corner. Apart from these 6 puppies, what the boy realized and what did he see? That there is one more pet in the kennel, one more pup in the kennel that was sitting in a corner. The boy whistled. Whistled म्हणजे शिटी मारणे, and that pup came towards him, but he could not walk properly. After listening to the whistling of the boy, the little puppy came near to the boy, but he could not walk properly and was limping. Limping म्हणजे लंगडणे. The boy said, I will take this pup. And the boy decided that he wants that pup. The shopkeeper said, no, this pup will not be of any use to you, as one of his leg is badly damaged in an accident. मग तो शॉपकीपर म्हणतो, no, you don't take him because one leg of this puppy is very badly damaged in an accident. It won't be able to play with you. He will not be able to play with you, but he insisted on taking that pup. But after listening to the shopkeeper, still the boy said he insisted, means forcefully he said, I will take this puppy only. The shopkeeper asked him why he wanted the lame pup. मग तो शॉपकीपर त्या मुलाला विचारतो, एवढे चांगले पपी सोडून तू या लंगडणाऱ्या पपीला का घेतोयस? द बॉय रोल्ड अप हिज ट्राउजर्स अँड शोड हिम हिज आर्टिफिशियल लेग अँड सेड, because I was also injured in an accident and I have only one leg. कारण माझासुद्धा एकदा ॲक्सिडेंट झाला आणि त्याच्यामध्ये माझा एक पाय मी गमावला आहे आणि जे आता लावलेलं आहे ते आर्टिफिशियल आहे, म्हणजे कृत्रिम पाय आहे. I will be able to feel how he feels without a leg. So I know how this puppy must be feeling because even his one leg is very badly injured in an accident. The shopkeeper was touched by this explanation. आणि त्या शॉपकीपरला खूप वाईट वाटलं त्या मुलाची स्टोरी ऐकून. Now acts of charity. Charity म्हणजे दान करणे. Charity means giving help to the people who need it. ज्यांना आपल्यापासून काहीतरी गरज असते ते त्यांना देणं म्हणजे चॅरिटी. It can be in terms of giving money as a donation or giving food to the hungry or a shelter to the homeless. आता चॅरिटी कशी असू शकते? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डोनेशन. त्यांना आपण पैसे देऊ शकतो, काहींना आपण जेवण देऊ शकतो जे भुकेले आहेत, काही जणांना आपण घर पुरवू शकतो ज्यांच्याकडे घर नाही आहे. You can also give your old clothes and books to those who need them. You can give your old clothes to wear them and your books also for them to study. Bill Gates, you must be knowing, he is the richest person in the world, the founder of Microsoft company. He created a charity organization along with his wife called Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So he started a charity whose name is Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. It is the largest private foundation in the world. They have given millions of dollars towards charity through this organization. It works across the world to help people who are poor and hungry. It provides healthcare and education also for the needy people. It also provides help in America, Europe, and undeveloped countries in Africa and Asia. Means he got lots of money, so he started this charity organization to help the people, those who are in need. Now, reasons to care. Imagine you have no one to talk to or play with. How will you feel? जर तुमच्याशी बोलण्यासाठी किंवा खेळण्यासाठी जर कुणी नसलं तर तुम्हाला कसं वाटेल? यू विल फील बॅड इफ पीपल डोंट वॉन्ट टू मीट यू और डोंट वॉन्ट टू स्पीक टू यू. तुम्हाला खूप वाईट वाटेल जर लोक तुमचे फ्रेंड्स तुम्हाला जर भेटले नाही किंवा तुमच्याशी ते बोलले नाही. दिस कॅन हॅपन इफ अदर्स डोंट लाईक यू. जर ते तुम्हाला पसंत करत नसतील तर तुम्हाला कसं वाटेल? अ पर्सन हू केअर्स अँड हेल्प्स अदर्स इज ऑलवेज लाईक्ड बाय एव्हरीवन. जो सर्वांची मदत करतो तो व्यक्ती सर्वांनाच आवडत असतो. हेल्पिंग फ्रेंड्स इन नीड इज अ ग्रेट क्वालिटी. आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींची त्यांच्या नीडमध्ये त्यांची गरज भागवणं हे जे करतं ही खूप चांगली क्वालिटी आहे. दिस इज ॲप्रिशिएटेड बाय एव्हरीवन. सगळेजण ह्याला खूप खुश होतात जे सर्वांची मदत करतात. आय होप यू लाईक द लेसन अँड अंडरस्टूड. लिसन टू द व्हिडिओ केअरफुली, राईट द क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स ऑन अ पेज अँड इवन कंप्लीट द सेंटेन्सेस. You write it on a page and both the pages you staple in the textbook and write my personal change record in the textbook itself. Till that time, thank you.